Hey guys, so this week we are still on personal financial literacy and we are going to be talking about net worth. The good news is that you are on the home stretch. We are so close to school being over for the year. I'm really proud of all of your hard work. You guys are amazing. So let's talk about net worth. There are two academic words that you need to know about: assets and liabilities. Assets, an asset is an item or an amount of money that you own. You own. Examples of this would be a car, or a house, or even an investment. A liability is the opposite. That is an amount of money that you owe. Own and owe. So a liability is an amount of money that you owe to a financial institution. Examples of these would be things like student loans. That's a big one. And credit card debt. So now we're just going to look at these items and we are going to decide if they are an asset or a liability. First, let me erase this. It's kind of like our smart board, isn't it? A little bit. I miss our smart board. I miss our classroom. Okay, so we're going to label them either an A for asset or L for liability. A house, we talked about that. That's something that you own or probably are in the process of buying, but that is an asset. A student loan is a liability. You owe that. So just think, own, do I own it or do I owe it? Credit card debt, we owe, that's a liability. A paid off automobile, that is an asset. That is something that we own. Furniture, we own that, that's an asset. Savings, that's money that we have, that's an asset. A retirement is an asset. An automobile with a loan, we don't own that yet. That is considered a liability. I know that can be a little bit different for a house, but a house, even if you're paying on it, you still own the current value of that house. So that's why they have this current value. Okay, I hope everybody is good on asset. You own it. Liability, you owe it. I wish there was a cool way we could remember that. I'll try to think of it for next year. And now let's look at this now we're going to put this into actual use. We're going to calculate somebody's net worth. Okay, erasing. So a person's net worth is the value of what you own minus what you owe. Own, this is own, this is owe. So it's your assets minus your liabilities. That is what equals your net worth. So let's have a look at Libby. Libby is this one right here. Libby is calculating her net worth. Her assets have a total of $87,545. And her liabilities are $32,158. So for this, we're going to take $87,545. That is a mess. And we're going to subtract 32,158. So I'm going to get my calculator out. And y'all can do this with me. Make sure I'm right. Check me. We have 87,545 minus 32,158. That gives us $55,387 for Libby's net worth. So she has a net worth of $5,387. We took her assets and we subtracted her liabilities. This next one is a little bit different because we're looking for assets. We are not looking for net worth. So number 2 says a financial planner is working with the client. She tells her client that she has a net worth of $105,630. This is going to be kind of like an equation, but it's really sloppy. So that's her net worth. She has a liability of $89,243. We are looking for her assets. So this is like a two-step equation. A one-step equation. A is our variable. That's what we're trying to find. So we need to get this, we need to move this over here so we can find the A. We have to do the opposite operation, so we have to add 89,243. That cancels out right here. What we do to one side, we must do to the other side. So we're going to add 89,243. That's going to give us our A. So all we're doing here is we are adding them together. So I'm going to take 105,630 and I'm adding to it 89,243. That gives us $194,873. So your quiz this week will look just like this. So I hope that you understand. If you have any problems, if you're confused about something, please reach out to me. You guys have been so quiet. You never ask for anything. All right, that's it for this week. Bye, guys.